Korea was once a land of tribal rivalries, shamanic rituals, and warriors who fought for honor, land, and gods. Its past was full of adventurous and mysterious events that continue to enchant the history lovers till now. If you are also a history lover, then keep watching as we will uncover 5 of the strongest and most brutal tribal fights in the ancient Korean history. Battles that blended war, superstition, and pure madness. Number 1. The Bear Clan vs. Tiger Clan, the mythic war of totems. Long before recorded history, Korean mythology tells of the Bear Clan and the Tiger Clan, both praying to the heavenly god Hwanung to become human. The bear endured a sacred trial, eating only garlic and mugwort in a dark cave for 100 days, while the tiger quit halfway. This myth inspired actual early tribal conflicts between bear totem and tiger totem tribes, where warriors painted animal faces and fought in ritual combat. These battles were less about land and more about proving which spirit was favored by heaven. Number 2. The Jinhan vs. Mahan head hunting duels. During the Three Han period, around 1st century BCE, the tribes of Jinhan and Mahan fought over farmland and salt roads. But here's the bizarre twist. After each battle, the victors would collect the enemy's head and offer them to their shaman priests of divination. They believed the number of heads taken determined how many good harvests would follow. These headhunting duels were both terrifying and sacred, half war, half ritual sacrifice. Number 3. The Gaya Iron Wars. Warriors who fought over smelting gods. The Gaya Confederacy, that existed from 42 CE to 562 CE, was famous for its iron production. But that same iron caused chaos. Rival tribes believed iron had divine energy and smiths were treated as priests. When one tribe stole iron tools or sacred furnaces, others saw it as spiritual theft. This led to the Iron Wars, small-scale tribal raids that lasted centuries, fought not for kingdoms but for the favor of the metal gods. Number 4. The Okjo Blood Pacts, wars over slave tribute. In the cold northeast between 2nd BCE to 5th CE, the Okjo tribes had a custom. They paid yearly tribute slaves to stronger tribes like Goguryeo. But when Goguryeo demanded double tribute, the Okjo rebelled, beginning one of the strangest uprisings in early Korean history. Before battle, warriors would cut their palms and mix blood in bowls of rice wine, pledging to die together. The war ended in defeat, but the ritual of blood-pact brotherhood became legendary in later Korean folklore. Number 5. The Bueo Moon Battle, the war that waited for an eclipse. The Bueo kingdom that existed from 2nd century BCE to the 5th century CE had a prophecy that whoever attacked during a lunar eclipse would be cursed by the gods. According to Chinese chronicles, one Bueo chief even delayed an invasion for months, just to strike when the moon turned red. The result? Chaos, confusion, and terrified soldiers who thought the sky itself was bleeding. From bear-worshipping clans to blood pacts and eclipse wars, ancient Korea's tribal fights were more than history. They were myth, magic, and madness intertwined. If you enjoyed this dive into forgotten tribal battles, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which fight shocked you the most in the comments below.